To me, this is the hardest part of the build, dragging the casings up the outside of the Great Pyramid, which range from 10 to 25 tonnes. You could use a 7.5 degree ramp for the casing stones, as I've shown previously. The main point of this quick animation is to show how one block can fit up to the other block, so a knife blade cannot fit in between the two. Off some rollers and then bang. The bottom corner of the block grips the surface, and as the block comes downwards, the corner of the block tries to maintain its position as it slides back, still gripping the surface. Off some rollers and then bang. That block will remain tight. The casing stones could be aligned by using wedges. It could be held by the C-up, pulling it in tight if necessary. You would need it tipping for butting the blocks up tight. With the ramp going up on a 52 degree gradient, a 7.5 or 2 degree incline spiralling up on the outside would be better. I hope you liked this short quick video, and if you did, give it a like. Thanks very much.